Okay, so the first thing that I want to say is I am so excited for you. Guys, I literally remember when I was working in retail making just £7.25 an hour, completely frustrated with being broke and wondering when is my life going to change? How am I going to be able to change it? Now, fortunately for me, I had a very good friend of mine that reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to make more money. She connected me with her mentor at the time, this young guy. He was making £20,000 a month. It really inspired me back then. So fast forward to today, this industry has allowed me to be that rich friend who is unemployed. Because it's been about a decade now since I've been able to fire my boss and become totally financially free. So, hi, I'm Katrina Alexander. I am a wife, I am a mom, and I'm also a digital entrepreneur. I've been trading Forex now since 2017, and I'm so grateful for the power of this incredible skill set that has allowed me and my husband to completely change our lives, and really design a life that we feel so good about, and that just a life that it just mirrors what we feel that we deserve. But we're not even at our peak yet because there's so much more that we can accomplish with what it is that we have here. But why I'm really excited for you guys is because we get to do something that I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to do this. And, for the longest time, this has been the goal, this has been the objective. I have wanted to launch a free community where me and my husband can give the most amount of value, where me and my husband can give everything that we have been doing, that we know how to make money. We can give it to you guys for completely free. And that's exactly what we've been able to do. It's been a long time coming, but it's here. We have officially launched our free community. And right now we're just over 4,000 members. And we only launched it in December. So we launched our free community in December. And right now we're over 4,000 members. And it's only middle of February right now. So it's absolutely amazing what has happened. This has really been a long time dream that has become a reality, because we've been a part of the trading space since 2017. And, we've helped a lot of you guys make a lot of money in trading. We've helped a lot of you guys learn how to trade. But we've been wanting to find how can we give it away to you guys for completely free. We've been wanting to launch a free community. Now, thanks to our partnerships, we are literally able to give this game away to you guys for completely free. So you guys are going to be making money with us every single day for totally free, right? So we can actually clap for that. Now, I want to start off with, for those of you that might be new to trading, I'll give you guys a little bit of overview, but then I'm going to show you what we're going to give you access to for free that's going to allow you to be able to learn, but also at the same time be able to make money every single day. Because I know that's what a lot of you guys, your objective is you just want to make money. You don't even want to learn anything. You just want to make money. We have an incredible system in place, an incredible community where you're going to get to copy trades that are about 90% accurate every single day and make money for yourself. And I'm going to show you the kind of results we've been creating, which is honestly, it's a dream come true. Like, this is literally, it's basically like the dream has become realized. The dream has literally now come to fruition. It has become a reality. We've been working on this for so long and it's finally here. And I know that you guys are going to be so glad it's here because you guys have wanted something like this. No joining fee, no monthly subscription, just a totally free community focused on trading, focused on you making money, focused on you getting results, focused on you learning if you want to actually learn. Now, I don't have anything against jobs, but I realized a long time ago a job was never going to afford me my dream lifestyle. So I really had to do something different. And that something different was trading. And the lifestyle it's given me and my husband, I mean, we're able to just like wake up when we're done sleeping. We're able to travel the world. Me and my husband, we go on spontaneous holidays. We actually have like quite a few holidays coming up. And, it doesn't require much planning because we're free. Sometimes we speak to other people and they talk about, how they have to like put in a request when they want to go on vacation. We don't have to do any of that. Like we literally take spontaneous vacations. Me and my husband, one thing we don't do, we never say, take me back. We just go back. Like if we love a vacation so much, like we love Dubai. So we go to Dubai every year. So instead of saying take me back, we just go back. So I want you guys to start experiencing the kind of time and money freedom that we've been able to enjoy for years. So let me go ahead and share my screen. For those of you that might be newer to Forex, I'll just give you guys a little bit of idea about it. And I'm going to show you guys what you're going to get inside of this free community that we've been working on for so long to give to you guys, because we know that this is the objective, this is the goal, is to give you guys something where there's no joining fee, no monthly subscription, but the value is insane and you get to make money every single week. So let me share my screen. All right, awesome. So for my newbies that are here, what exactly is Forex? Well, first of all, Forex is a money making skill set, okay? It's also a recession proof skill set as well. If you have a mobile phone and you have an internet connection, you can literally trade Forex online and make money from anywhere in the world at any time. It's a digital money making skill set. It's a $7.7 trillion a day industry, 24/7. It's open and available for you to make money. We make money trading foreign currencies such as the US dollar, the euro, the Great British pound, commodities such as gold. It's accessible from anywhere in the world as long as you have a mobile phone and you have an internet connection. We are basically able to generate a profit by predicting the change in price of different currencies as they fluctuate up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We're able to generate a profit from the difference in price of where we enter into the market and then where we exit the market on our predictions of those buy and those sell opportunities. However, we've made it so simplified that anybody can get access. Let me show you guys what you're literally going to get access to for completely free. So let me stop sharing this screen and let me share my other screen, because it's crazy that you guys are gonna really, get access to this. So hold on, let me put it up because we've been working on this for so long so that you guys can finally get access to this, because I believe that this should be available for everyone. If more people had access to something like this, not saying there's anything wrong with jobs, but I just know that less and less people would feel like they have to go to a job every single day, right? So look at this, right? So I'm going to give you access to my free community, and let me show you what you get inside of our free community. So you're going to get about 20 to 25 incredible gold trade signals per day. Okay. 20 to 25 incredible gold signals, trade ideas per day that you can copy and make money from. Copy and make money from. So these aren't trades that you have to come up with yourself. No, like these trades are already done for you. Like, for example, if you look at the screen right now, you can see it says prepare for a buy. And then you're told to buy gold and you're given the price to buy from. You're given the price to buy gold between 4821 and 4818. So it can be any of these two numbers you're buying gold from, or any of the numbers in between these two numbers that you're placing a buy on gold from. You're also given 3 different take profits to choose from. You're given take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. You can also leave your take profit open as well. These are different targets that you're given. So you're literally given different targets of what you can put in. Where do you put these numbers? And I'm going to show you guys in a second. You're also given a stop loss to protect your account. Guys, never trade without a stop loss or it will end in tears. If anyone has ever told you in trading, you're just going to make money, make money, make money, make money, and you're not going to, experience any losses. No, trading does involve risk. However, with the stop loss in place and you using a stop loss, you are minimizing the risk that you're taking. right? And especially with the 20 to 25 amazing gold trades that you're getting with our synergy trade ideas on a daily basis, you can literally, it doesn't even matter I'll show you guys in a second anyway, the kind of results, but you're going to see that it doesn't even matter the stop losses that you're going to hit. Maybe you'll hit 2 stop losses in a day. But overall, it's a 90% win rate. At least it will be like an 85% win rate if we're doing really bad, right? But let me show you where you actually copy these trades to. Hang on a second, guys. Let's get into it. So let me share my other screen. So when you receive a trade idea like that, you're simply going to go to your MetaTrader 5 trading app. Right? You're going to go to your MetaTrader 5 trading app. You receive a trade idea. It told you to to literally buy gold. Well, this is the symbol for gold. XAU is the symbol for gold. So XAU USD, this is the symbol for gold. So when you received that alert that came into your Telegram and it told you to prepare for a buy, well, all the trades that actually come in are gold. So you already knew it was gold you were buying. So you come here and you're ready to go. Now, they literally send the trade idea and it says buy gold and it gives you the price. It's either this price, or it's in between those two prices. So now you want to place that trade. You click on gold and you basically click trade, right? And you put your stop loss number in, you put your take profit number in, and you literally hit the buy button. That's how simple it is. So you put the numbers you were given in, and it's a market execution. It's always going to be a market execution unless you're told otherwise. If you're told, sometimes maybe it's going to be a buy limit, but that's pretty rare. Majority of the time, it's actually a market execution because this particular channel, the synergy one, is actually for scalping. So majority of the time, it's literally going to be market execution. So you'll just need to check the entry price is correct and then put your stop loss number, put your take profit number. So they've already given you the stop loss number. They've already given you the take profit number. Just put it in here and hit the buy button and boom, you're into that trade. That's literally how simple this is. Okay, that's literally how simple this is. So let's stop that share and go back to where we were. Okay, hang on a minute, guys. Okay, where were we? Hang on. Okay, awesome. So, okay, good. So you got a trade idea. It says buy gold at 4821/4818, right? So you were given, you could either buy at these two prices or anywhere in between those two prices. You're given the targets. These are the numbers you're going to pick. Do you want to take profit one, take profit two, take profit three? Or you could actually place multiple trades. We do something called layering. So you can actually take one trade at TP1, one trade at TP2, one trade at TP3, which we'll show you how to do. And you can leave one open. And you're going to put your stop loss number in. So you're just taking these numbers that you're given and you're inputting them into your MetaTrader 5 trading app. Is copy and earn, copy and earn, copy and earn. You're not the one that has to do everything. No, it's done for you. Also, as well, you're going to be carried along. Every time you take a trade, you're going to be carried along. You're going to be helped to manage your trade. Do you see how it says take profit 2 hit plus 80 pips, take profit 1 hit plus 50 pips? You're going to be alerted when the trades have actually met the first target, the second target, the third target, or if you'd left the take profit open, you're going to be alerted when you can now move your stop loss from in the risk zone, put it into your profit area, and then now add a further take profit to now, target some higher positions. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys the amount of value that you literally get inside of this Telegram. So take a look at the amount of value that you literally get inside of this Telegram. It's absolutely insane how much value you literally get inside of this Telegram. So just take a look at this. And he also sends you analysis as well. You'll also get voice notes as well to carry you along. But most importantly, you are helped to manage your trade. You're guided to manage your trades after you've literally taken them. Have a look at this. So, there's always a daily trading recap. So, for example, on this day, we took, well, 26 trades were called out. So I told you get like 20 to 25 amazing gold trades per day. So 26 trades were called out, 25 winning trades, and just one losing trade. So we only lost minus 50 pips if you did take that losing trade, right? So the win rate was actually 83%. And we caught 3,600 pips on that day. That was a Tuesday. All right. We also do weekly recap as well. Weekly recap as well. But look how much value you're getting in one day. So many trade ideas. And by the way, these trades start coming in from 5 a.m. every single day. Like, so from 5 a.m. every single day, you can expect you are going to literally receive these trade ideas. So if you're somebody that you work, like, let's say you work a job, right? A lot of people work a job, right? So let's say you work a job, maybe 5 a.m. is when you know you're available to take advantage of these trade ideas. So you can take the first trade that comes in 5 a.m. every single morning. I know that's been working for a lot of people in our community, taking the 5 a.m.s, the 6 a.m.s, the 7 a.m.s, the 8 a.m.s before they go into work, making a ton of money before they literally go into work. So guys, this is actually a weekly trading recap. Now, what does this mean for you guys in monetary value? Because I like numbers, I like money. So let's talk about how much you would have actually made if you had taken like all of these trades. So, for that week, we actually got 121 trade ideas were sent out by Synergy, by just this one trading channel. Bearing in mind, there's three trading channels in here, but I'm only talking about one of the trading channels, right? So 121 trade ideas was literally sent out. 109 of them were winning trades and 12 were losing trades. So we lost 300 pips total. However, we made 19,730 pips and we were at a 90% win rate. Now, what would that have meant for you in terms of how much would you have made? Because that's what you want to know, right? You want to know, like, how much money would you have made if you caught those 19,730 pips? Well, I'm going to actually show you. Let me actually share my screen and I'll show you guys how much money you would have made. And I'll show you according to like your account balance. Okay, so have a look at this. Let's see. Okay, perfect. I'm sure you guys can see my screen. Waiting for this to load. Okay. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how much you would have made, right? So it was 19,730 pips that we caught. So let's put it here. 19,730 pips. This was for 1 week. So this isn't even in a month. This is 1 week. Now, in trading, we use something called lot size. And for those of you with trading experience, you'll know what this means. Now, depending on your account balance, now let me give some examples. Let's say you had a £100 account balance, or you could put it as $100. It's up to you. Now, if you have a £100 account balance, if we're going by correct risk management, because in trading, we talk about risk management. If you're using correct risk management, that if you have £100 or $100 in there, you'll use a 0.01 lot size, which means that you're only risking 1% of your account balance per trade. Okay. So you're using the correct risk management according to your account balance. You're only using 1% 1% of your account balance for each trade that you're taking. So 0.01, that really stands for 10 pence per pip or 10 cent per pip. So 10 pence or 10 cent really depends, like if you're using pounds or dollars, it doesn't matter. Now, guys, let's do the math together. If you had £100 account and you were doing 0.01, which means that you make 10 pence or 10 cent per pip that the market moves by, and you made 19,730 pips for the week, how much would you have made for the week just using the bare minimum risk management? You would have literally made £197 and 30 pence, right? Now, or if it was dollars, $197.30 cent. Now, if you were using, let's say you had a £1,000 account balance and you decide to use the correct risk management, which we recommend, then you're using a zero point 0.1 lot size because that's your 1%. That means that for every single pip the market is going to move by, you are literally making £1 or you're making $1, depending what currency you're actually using. So how much does that mean in pounds? Like how much did you make if you caught these 19,730 pips? Like how much did you make for the week? Well, you actually made 1,900 and seven, yeah, you made £1,973. That's how much you made. If it's in dollars, you made $1,973 for the week. Okay. And that's at 1%. Now, if you had an account balance of, and I'm just showing you correct risk management. I know a lot of people don't use correct risk management, but I like to when I'm, I like to teach correct risk management because I don't like, for people to put themselves at massive risk. So I like to teach the correct risk management. Now, if you are using a £10,000 account or $10,000 account, you can use a 1.00 lot size. That is basically £10 per pip, $10 per pip, right? Now, if we caught 19,730 pips, that means that you made 19,730 pounds or $19,730 profit. This is profit. This is money that is yours. Okay. So that's what the week would have looked like for you. I'm not talking about a month. I'm talking about with the amount of pips that we're catching in a week, this is what the results are looking like if you're using the bare minimum risk management. If you're not over leveraging, you're just using the trades like in the correct way, correct risk management, this is what your profits would literally look like. And this is from a completely free community. This is from something that's totally free. So it's really, really crazy. And the most exciting part as well, so let me even just share something else. The results that we've been having inside of our community is what I really love the most. Like for example, we have a young lady and it's not even just her, it's so many, but I want to talk about her because she's so new to trading and her name is Joanne. And I shared this with the team, but let me see, let me show you guys. This young lady literally, so let me share my screen because I want you guys to see this. Share screen. Okay, so have a look at this. So this young lady, she literally started like before she actually made this, before this money landed in her account, this $11,000 that you're seeing here, before this $11,000 landed in her account, she had only started trading for the very first time 3 weeks prior to this. 3 weeks prior to this, and she started with $300 in her live account. $300 in her live account. And she was literally able to take advantage of the synergy signals as a complete newbie, like a complete new beginner. And she literally withdrew $11,000 of the profits that she made. A complete newbie. If you speak to Joanne, I mean, we had an event in London. Joanne came up on stage and she spoke and she shared with everyone how new she was and what she was able to do with that money. Because I mean, to start with $300 and take advantage of the free community, take synergy signals, and make this kind of money and withdraw and have $11,000 land in your own personal account. She was able to pay off a lot of debt that, she said she had some credit card debt that she didn't know how she was going to pay because she actually hasn't been working. I can't remember if it's 2 or 5 years. She hasn't been employed. She hasn't been working. So she kind of basically took a leap of faith and used her lost money to start this, and it literally paid off, and she's just one of so many success stories. This is why I love what we've created so much, and this is why we've wanted to create this free community, is to give people access to what we have been experiencing and living and enjoying over the years ourselves. Now you guys get to experience it for completely free, because sometimes having a joining fee and having a monthly subscription, it poses a barrier, but now that is out the way and you get to just come in, decide how much you want to start your live account with and literally start taking advantage of the trade ideas, the academy, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute. And you literally get to get these kind of results if you properly lock in. Okay. Now, let me go back to where I was because I wasn't even done showing you guys the Telegram. Okay. Oh, where have we gone? 1 second. All right, awesome. So yeah, so we have weekly recaps, we have daily recaps. So just have a look at how much value you get inside of, the Telegram. So much value, so much opportunity to make money, so many trade ideas. This is another one of the signal channels. This is Nova. So you don't even just get one. So I'm saying 20 to 25, but that's only in one of the signal channels. We also have the live. So the educators actually go live as well. So Synergy goes live every Sunday. Pulse FX goes live every Wednesday. We've also introduced the live trading sessions as well. Last Tuesday was the very first one. So you can trade live with the traders as well. That's there as well. But guys, for those of you that don't only want to copy and earn, you don't only want to take trade ideas, which is great, by the way, because I mean, honestly, like the fact that you get to literally copy and earn, like, literally copying trade ideas and making money. Guys, this trader is a beast. Do you know how much he's paid every single month to just sit in front of the charts every single day, analyze the markets, call out these trades? He is paid multiple five figures a month, multiple five figures every month to just sit in front of the screen for like 12 hours a day, analyze the markets, call out these trade ideas for you to be able to make money from. And as I said, this is something we've wanted to be doing for so long, and we're so glad it's finally here. And you guys get to experience the kind of lifestyle experiences, income we've been able to achieve over the years. You're now going to have access to enjoying life on the other side of just like trading your time for money, because that's crazy in 2026. I mean, making money has never been as simple as it is these days, right? There's so much opportunity out there. The internet, having a digital device just poses so much opportunity. I mean, times have changed, right? So also I want to show you guys, for those of you that don't just want to copy and earn, but you also want to learn as well, how can you actually learn? So you're going to also get access to the portal, right? So you're going to get access to your portal as well. Now in the portal, you're really going to get a lot. For those of you that want to learn how to analyze the markets yourself, mark up your own charts, call out your own trades, take your own trades. Everything is literally in here for you to literally like learn how to trade. So I'm going to play you guys this short quick start video that's going to give you an overview of what you get inside of this portal that comes with it all, okay? Welcome to the ProTrader walkthrough tutorial. Once you log in, you will have access to the main ProTrader portal. In the top right corner, you will see the star icon. Make sure you guys shows your daily streak. Each day you log in and remain active, you earn points, badges, and rewards. Next to this, you will see the notifications tab, where you will receive updates from across the entire platform. You will also find the settings section, where you can adjust your preferences. Here, you can switch between dark mode and light mode, as well as edit your personal account settings. In the Start Here section, you will see Welcome, House Rules, the Quick Start Guide, and Company News. If you click on Welcome, you will see an overview of everything available inside ProTrader, including Pro Academy, Pro Ideas, Pro Live, Pro Journal, the Traders Lounge, and more features that will be added over time. Next, you will see the House Rules. These are the community guidelines that every member must follow as we continue to grow the ProTrader community. You will also find the Quick Start Guide along with company news. All official announcements and platform updates will be posted here.
Moving on to Pro Academy. This is where you will find educational courses designed to help you learn trading from the ground up. You will see approximately 20 to 22 videos covering key trading concepts and core foundations. If you click into a course, such as Core Trading Foundations, you will see a list of lessons. Simply select a video to begin watching. We recommend completing the lessons in order. Each video will appear like this, and you can mark it as complete once finished. In addition to video courses, Pro Academy also includes trading ebooks. There are 5 ebooks available, covering topics such as trading tips, chart patterns, candlesticks, risk management, and discipline. Next, we have Pro Ideas. Inside Pro Ideas, you will learn how to access trade ideas, including Synergy, PulseX, and Nova. If you click on How to Access Trade Ideas, you will see a step-by-step process. First, click the Telegram link provided and request to join. Once you have requested access, move to step 2 and message PT Verify on Telegram with your PU Prime user ID. You can see an example displayed here. If everything is completed correctly, you will be accepted within 24 hours. Synergy focuses on institutional order flow for gold and typically provides around 20 to 25 trade ideas per day on average, although some days may offer more. Be sure to watch the video provided, which explains exactly how to take trades using Synergy. Below this, you will also find the trading rules for Synergy. Next is PulseX. PulseX delivers premium gold trade ideas based on clean price action. These ideas combine intraday trading and scalping strategies. You can also review the steps below that explain how to take these trades. Then we have Nova. Nova provides intraday gold trade ideas driven by structure, momentum, and market timing. Below, you will find the specific rules for trading with Nova. Next, we have Pro Live. Pro Live is where you can join live educational sessions hosted by our educators. Simply click on Live Sessions to view all upcoming sessions. You will see sessions for PulseX and Synergy listed here. Click on a session to view the date and time. Then select the Zoom icon to join the live session. You can also open the calendar view to see all scheduled sessions at a glance. Next, we have Pro Journal. Pro Journal is your personal trading journal. To gain access, simply follow the steps listed, including Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. Be sure to watch the instructional video that will be available at the bottom of this section. You can then log into the journal using the provided link. You may notice additional tools appearing on the left-hand side over time. These represent new services introduced by ProTrader, such as ProCopy. Finally, we have the Traders Lounge. The Traders Lounge includes multiple sections, including achievements and results, chart markups, and discussion. In the achievements and results section, we encourage members to share their successes, results, and milestone achievements. This is also a great place to support and celebrate other members. In the chart markups and discussion section, users share trade analysis, chart markups, and trading view ideas. Feel free to participate, ask questions, and engage with the trading community. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and stay tuned for more exciting products and services coming soon.
Sheesh. Amazing. All right, awesome. So, one second, guys. Okay, hold on. I'm giving it a second to load. So as I mentioned before, guys, like there's literally, hold on, let me stop this share because I want to reshare it. I want it to actually be showing. Okay, perfect. It's up. So as I mentioned before, like we are in a new era. This is something we have wanted to do and have been figuring out. How can we do this where we can literally build the biggest community where we make the most amount of impact and give the most amount of people the most amount of value, but for completely free? Because, joining fees, monthly subscriptions, it just doesn't allow people to, get to take advantage of the trading space the way that they can take advantage of the trading space for it to completely change everything like it did for us. So we're in a new era now. You know, we found how we could make it free. So there's no subscription, there's no joining fee, no, like, you literally get everything that I just shared with you guys, access to my community, access to my mentorship, all of it for totally free. So get back to me, get back to whoever it was that gave you the link, and let them know you're ready to plug in, start making money, and also start learning if learning is something you're looking for as well. The academy is here as well. So I'm super excited for you guys. I can't wait to just really help you guys get these kind of results and start to just experiencing what we've been experiencing for a decade now, that has allowed us to just be that rich unemployed friend. Literally that rich unemployed friend. And I say that with so much gratitude. Not to brag, not to boast, but the reality is the decision that we made to get into trading has been probably one of the most powerful decisions of our lives, because not only did it change our lives, but it's completely transformed our families' lives and so many other people all across the world that we've been able to coach and mentor. And now this is the next phase. This is the next stage where we get to give you guys the special gift for free. And you guys get to tap in. And now it's your time to create your story. So get back to me or whoever it was that gave you the link for our free community. We started this in December. Right now it's February and we're over 4,000 plus members that are winning, making money. And it's honestly, this is so powerful. And I can't wait for you guys to experience it. So, guys, let's get you guys locked in and making money, getting results, and sharing your testimony next. Goodbye for now.